shouldn't record this. Question.
Cutie patooties. I want you to know. Roadie.
Road trip.
Hey, roadie means something else.
It does, man. This is a family channel, honey.
Hi,
yes.
how are you?
Oh, I know these ones are gonna hit.
I know, I can tell the color is good.
Oh,
Thank
the color is
you.
so good. Thank you. Thank you. And thanks so much, honey.
No problem.
Look at this. Look at this.
I'm not here for the sugar at the bottom, or we're gonna.
So don't shake it. Don't.
Excuse me, passenger princess.
Thanks. Oh, you want me to open your straws?
Well, yeah, I'm driving.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm like, oh, she gave me a straw.
God damn.
My bad, cutie patootie.
Is there stability on this?
Girl, I hope so. It's not a gimbal. Jesus. So, cheers, mama.
Cheers. Oh God. Holy!
I knew before she handed it over to you. I'm just like,
too. I knew as well. I really did. Girls with iced coffee.
the best sound ever.
Yo.
It is hitting right now. And it's such a nice day.
Wow. Vanilla iced coffee, eh?
I'm telling you.
Is this the vanilla plus the regular sugar?
No.
I don't even care.
No, it's just vanilla sugar.
So that's the sweet.
That's the sweet.
They're doing it right.
They're doing it right, girl.
Why did it take me this long?
And summertime, it's $1.
Oh. Are you gonna make it, Bubs?
Yeah. So, ooh, let me turn off this radio. Okay, so I just finished getting my nails done. Yeah, so I stick to red. I don't know, it works. I've been doing it for over a year now, so and I've been loving it, honey. But I am headed to a friend's surprise family birthday get together. So I stopped at Cops Donuts to pick up some treats for her and her family, which I'm really excited about. Like, she's such a genuine person, but she doesn't know about it. So it's gonna be a complete surprise for her. And then tomorrow we're doing something. I'm gonna grab some donuts and I'll be right back. So I'm with none other than the birthday girls. Do you remember the last time we did that?
Yes.
Oh no,
We are not doing that again.
We got the Uber.
Leg work today.
Leg work indeed. And the heels are intense. The heels are no joke, Henny.
They're no joke. Damn, Kia. Let's go, baby.
So a bit of a different look today. I still have to put on my lip gloss. Maybe I shouldn't record this. So a bit of a different look for today's event. A lot more comfy, which I'm super happy about, because your girl got a little friend this morning that I don't even, like, I'm waiting for this apple to kick in. Like, today was tough. Oh yeah. And so I gotta make sure. Thank you so much. Okay, good. I'll get another angle. Double the angle. Want some more? Ooh, more. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I don't know if I'm hoping you guys can see me properly. I'm at the Sleek event launching in Walmart and they went all out. I've never been to a multi-million-dollar mansion in Toronto, but it's giving It's giving I'm manifesting. It's giving like I need this home. I don't want to like jump in. I don't want to walk into the water because there's a pool or a ravine right in front of me. The event is absolutely amazing and this house is absolutely stunning. Oh my god, it's kind of wild. The elevator is really cool. Like just everything about this space is amazing. They went off and you get to make friendship bracelets. You get to eat some snacks, which I'm obviously not eating because I'm on 20, sorry, I haven't eaten today, but I'm on day 23 of the 75 hard challenge and girl, I almost ate popcorn. And the minute I grabbed it, because I was using it to record. Sometimes, especially now that I'm doing the 75 hard, I'll grab things for B-roll, but I won't necessarily eat the snacks because I'm on 75 hard. And the cocktails that I have are mocktails. So anyway, there's just a lot to remember. But today has been such a hectic day that I was about to eat the popcorn, and then it was one of my friends that was like, "So how's 75 hard?" And I'm like, huh. I'm like, take this popcorn and walk away, please. And she's like, "I'm so sorry." I'm like, no, you actually just saved my life because I'm on day 23 and I would have started day 1 tomorrow all over again without even like knowing. So anyways, everyone is making it a point to stop me. That's why I had to like walk away a little bit. Everyone has made it a point to say something about my camera. So this was the best purchase I've made so far. Maybe top purchase I've made in 2023. Honey, everybody stopped me. They're just like, how did you get it? How'd you get a camera? I'm just like, Facebook Marketplace. So when they ask, I share. I literally got this camera off of Facebook Marketplace. Literally, do your research. You can find it because this camera is clearly going on viral for a reason. It's stunning. But these are the few photos that I took yesterday at the event with the flash on, so I can't wait to take more photos out here. But they're also playing Mean Girls downstairs in, I guess this place has a home theater, so I'm gonna go watch that. Bye! When they said the theme was Y2K, I said bet. The director, honey. Oh my god, can you fucking Segen. Two. Ah, no! Question? Wow, that was on her. I felt like it was you got served, like.
There you go.
What?
Oh my I got you.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Well, for you.
Girl, I am gonna be hairless for a while, honey.
We got you. Also the Pro Wax Warmer, as you know.
Yeah.
Like you know about it. You've seen it, but
yeah.
we don't have any Canada yet. So
what? This is exclusive. Okay,
yeah.
Okay, cool.
You can share.
We can share.
Watch out. You know, just watch the stores. You know, it might be popping out. Might be popping out at your Walmart anytime soon.
At a Walmart near you, honey. At a Walmart near you.
I love it.